Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing, training, and support specialist for Builderall. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your professional email address to your Gmail account. Since most of us have Gmail on our phones already, it makes things easier to have all of our emails in one place, easily accessible on our phones. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use the professional email address that I have inside my Builderall back office. The email service provider is called RainLoop. To make things easier for you, I've also provided a step-by-step guide you can follow after the video to help guide you when you're connecting your email address. So let's get started. To access our professional email address, we can go up here to Apps in the menu and then go to Professional Emails. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all the domains that we have connected. So let's go ahead and click View Email List to select our email. The email that I want to connect to my Gmail account is going to be info@visionmarketingtools.com. So to do that, the first thing that we need to do is access our Gmail account. So let's go ahead and open the Gmail account. And up in the top right-hand corner, you want to click the gear box here that says Settings. And then we'll click All Settings. Then we want to click Accounts and Import. And then click on Add a Mail Account. We're going to actually add the email to two sections here. We're going to add to receive the email, and then we're going to add it to send as the email address, because when we receive an email or we send an email from our Gmail account, we want it coming in and going out as the same email when we're replying or sending emails to that customer. So let's go ahead and click Add a Mail Account, and let's type in the email that we want to use. So it's info@visionmarketingtools.com, and then we'll click Next. And we'd want to import the emails from my other account, so we're going to choose the POP3, which is the only option. So we'll just go ahead and click Next. And now we need to enter our email address, username, and password. So I'm just going to highlight this here just to save myself some misspellings, and I'm going to paste it here. Now I need to enter the password of my email account. And now I need the POP server account. So to get this, we need to go back to our Chrome windows here. And we want to access the POP server account using what'smydns.net, okay? And we're going to choose the MX records that we need. So we just need to enter in our domain. So I'm going to paste this here. So I'm just going to enter in visionmarketingtools.com, make sure it's on the MX records, and then I'm going to search. So you can see your records show up here, and you want to copy everything after the 10 and the colon. So I'm just going to copy this here. I'm going to go back to my email account, and then I'm going to paste that in this box here. Now the port for the incoming mail is going to be 995. You can choose now to leave a copy of the retrieved message on the server, which I do not recommend doing because that will fill up. And once you have this connected to your Gmail account, you really don't have a reason to check that, but it's totally up to you and whatever your business is. So you can select that here if you want to leave a copy. I always recommend, and I think it actually makes you select to use the SSL because you definitely need to have a secure connection. You can select the label for your incoming messages. So if you want to create your own or you want to give it another name, you can do that. But for this purpose, I'm just going to leave it the name of the email. And then you can also choose to archive incoming messages. But let's go ahead and skip that for now, and we'll just add the account. And now it's asking, do you want to retrieve the mail from this account? And yes, we do. So let's go ahead and click Next. And then from here, we can just X out of our window. So now that we've connected the incoming email address, let me go ahead and refresh this. So you see our email down here. Now that we've connected that, we also want to connect it so that we can send from that email. So let's go ahead and click here to add another email address. And we just want to type in our email here. And we don't want to treat it as an alias. If you don't know what an alias is, you can click here to learn more about that. But we'll just go ahead and click Next Step. And again, we need to put our POP server that we just found. We can just paste that here. And then we need to change the port to be 465. Again, we want to enter our email address. And then we want our password. And we want a secure connection with the SSL. So we'll just go ahead and leave that checked and click Add Account. So now it has sent us a confirmation email. So we need to verify and enter the code that they sent us to say that we are allowing this to take place. Now, since we've already forwarded our emails, you can actually check your inbox here inside your Gmail, and you should have received that email here. So let's go ahead and we will just copy this code here. And then we will paste it into our box. And verify. And we'll X out of this. Now, let's go ahead and check this and see if we could actually send an email from this address. So we'll click Compose and choose from the drop-down menu, and you can see that we can actually select this email now as an address to send from. So I hope you found some value from this. Make sure to click the link in the description box for the step-by-step guide to help walk you through the process of connecting your own professional email addresses to your Gmail account. And I will see you in the next video. Go build it with Builderall.